Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the anti-gravity AI. Is Google anti-gravity worth using in 2026? So in this review, I'll cover its features, strengths, weaknesses, and whether it is right a coding tool for you. Google Antigravity is an AI first AI development platform designed to much more than autocomplete code. Instead of simply suggesting lines of code, it can plan tasks, generate code, test applications, and even coordinate multiple agents working on different parts of your project at the same time. And one of its biggest strengths is automation. Okay, so Azure Gravity can analyze large code bases, create implementation plans, and handle complex development tasks with minimal human input. It also offers a massive context window, making it easier to understand larger projects than many traditional AI coding assistants. And another um, advantage is that it supports modern AI models and includes features like browser automation, terminals integration, and parallel AI agents. These capabilities make it especially attractive for experienced developers working on large or complex software projects. However, anti-gravity is not perfect since it's still relatively new. Some users report occasional bugs and overload servers during busy periods and a stepper learning curve compared to tools like Cursor. So if you're expecting a simple AI code editor, anti-gravity may feel more complex than necessary. Now, is it worth it? If you're an experienced developer who wants AI agents automate larger development workflows, then yes, anti-gravity is definitely worth trying. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.